Matt the Mortgage Guy here, recording a quick video to talk about if having a mortgage credit pull hurts your credit score. Before I get into it, if you like this good, honest, straightforward mortgage advice, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'm trying to get good, honest advice to as many people as possible. By you smashing the like button, really helps do that. So without further ado, I get this question a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. And it's a valid question. People are protective of their credit score. Sometimes they've been working on raising it, and the last thing they want to do is see it go back down. And so when we're talking and we're thinking about doing a refinance, or we're thinking about getting pre-approved for a loan, hey, I don't want you to pull my credit, Matt. I don't want to hurt my credit score. And I just want to say a few things on that. One, generally it doesn't hurt your score as much as you think. And two, for most things you need to do mortgage-wise, there's really no substitute for getting your credit pulled. I've got a lot of folks that are looking into refinance, and I tell them, give me a guesstimate of your credit score. And with the guesstimate and a mortgage statement, we can put together a really accurate quote. But when it comes time to getting the thing submitted and looking at locking the rates, like, we've got to pull your credit. If there's any question on whether or not you qualify, the credit report, the debts importing, figuring out your debt to income ratio, all that other stuff, there's no substitute for a credit report. And honestly, sometimes it's better, sometimes it's worse. It's really impossible to accurately guess what your mortgage credit score specifically is going to be. Credit Karma says one thing, somebody else says another thing. The people lending you hundreds of thousands of dollars, their credit report is what they're going to look at. They're not going to rely on some online algorithm that's not lending money to anybody. So with that, I did a little bit of research because I wanted to be able to give people concrete advice to this answer. And most of the data says that a mortgage credit pull is going to ding you between 5 and 10 points. The good news is it's temporary. And if you have a really good credit history besides that, it can be less. It can be 2 points, 3 points. And what's really important to think about is the credit pulls, credit inquiries, collectively are what can bring your credit score down. If you have 27 pulls in the last 12 months, you pulled it at Best Buy, you pulled it at Lowe's, you pulled it at Pottery Barn, whatever it was, and then you pulled it for buying a car. All these different agencies pull your credit report. That looks bad to the credit reporting agencies, and it pulls your score down accordingly. Just like, you piling up debt on a credit card that's got a $500 balance up to $490, that hurts your credit score as well. For most folks, when you're looking to get pre-approved and you want to put together a full package and have a good idea of what you qualify for, the credit pull's the least of your worries. You could get a credit pull and you're worried about those 3 points being lost, but once you pull it, get great advice from a great mortgage advisor that says, hey, listen, your Victoria's Secret card's got a $986 balance on a $1,000 card. Pay that down to $300 or to $250. It's going to increase your score by 40 points. So sure, you knocked off 2 or 3 by having the thing pulled, but you just gained 40 little bit of advice on debt load and how that affects your credit score. So that's that. It's less than you think. It's generally necessary if you want to do anything mortgage related, so you might as well just rip the Band-Aid off, get that credit pulled. And if there's something in there that is a surprise you didn't know about, better to find out and get it fixed than to not know, delay that credit pull until the last minute, and then the Sunday morning when you're out shopping for houses, you want, okay, pull my credit, I'm ready, I want to put an offer on this house. Oh, did you know that so-and-so reported this 30-day late last month and your credit score went down to 626? I had no idea. Well, I wish we would have pulled your credit 4 months ago when you originally thought about buying a house, but now I was going to say a bad word, but I'm going to refrain. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you're in California and give you good, honest advice, give me a call, shoot me an email. Even if you're out of California and I can't lend you, happy to refer you on to somebody who can. Matt, M-A-T-T, @mattthemortgageguy.com. Thanks for watching.